excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make $100 again and again by just typing some names on websites. I'm going to show you the process step by step. My channel is all about making money on the internet, to leverage the power of the internet to make money. And I'm sure that it is also your desire to make money. You're looking for ways and means of having a side income, right? To supplement whatever you are getting, okay? Right? So my friend, if it is your desire, then you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can know it each time and every time I drop a video. You need a mentor, someone who can help you to build a full-time income on the internet. Someone who can hold you by hand and show you how you can build a business that runs on autopilot whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your wife, loved ones, right? Or with your husband, right? So my friend, make sure to check my #1 recommendation in the description below, and then we take it from there, okay? So our first website which we're going to visit, my friend, is called Squad Help. So this is the official website of Squad Help, right? You can see that it is a secure website and this is a legit site, a legit company, okay? So what goes on here, my friend, is that, you see, Squad Help does a lot of things, including helping companies, brands, organizations, individuals to find a perfect name for their brand, for their company, for their website, for whatever business they are doing, okay? Right. So you might be having a smashing idea of a business, but you don't know exactly what sort of name would be a striking name, would be the correct name, the befitting name for your business. So Squad Help now, that's when it comes into the picture. People and organizations, companies and brands, they come to Squad Help to look for the perfect name. Right, so the way you're going to be making $100 again and again is that you come right here as a freelancer. You're going to enter into some contests where you can compete with others to create names, to generate some names for brands, for companies, for organizations which need your help. You might say, I haven't done that before, my friend. Let me tell you that this is dead easy, because I'm going to show you step by step what to do. I'm going to take you to the different websites that you can use to make the whole process easy and straightforward. Okay, so you have to sign up on this site, which is called Squad Help, right? You just sign up and the process is easy. Less than a minute, you'll be done, right? Once you are logged in like I am, right? You come where it says contests right here, right? Then you can see the different, how it works. You can see agent services, but for now, we're going to where it says browse. And then you see where it says active contests. You can view recent winners, what they got. You can also, that's where you become a creative. So you're coming on this site as a creative. You're going to create names for brands, for companies, for organizations, and so forth. Okay, right. Without wasting any time, let me show you straight where you'll be able to make $100 again and again, right, using your computer and by just typing some names, right? So you're coming where it says active contests right here. Click active contests. So on the left-hand side, you see that it says all industries. Yes, you keep it on all industries. Then you come to where it says all categories. You click all categories. Then you come to where it says naming only. You click naming only, right? And then you scroll down on the left-hand side. You see where it says by award amount. right? I've checked 100 to 199. So the tasks on this site, my friend, are going to pay upwards of $100 only. There is no task that is going to pay less than 100, right? So you can see that you can filter and check 100 to $199, or you can go to 200 to 299, or you can go to where it says greater than $300, right? Just for demo sake, let me check greater than 300, okay? And we remove that one, okay? So we have 80 contests going on right now, which are paying more than $300, at least 300, okay? Look at this one. The first one, it says website name or rebrand for an insurance business, right? So you can click that description at the top, the headline. It's a clickable link right there, and it takes you to the rest of the information. So my friend, my advice is not to start from 300, because there is cutthroat competition right here. Your entry point, my friend, it is advisable to come from $100 and $199, right? So that you can build and make your way upwards, okay? As you build your portfolio and your ranking, right? Then you go up and you start to charge more as you go up, all right? So how are you going to start, right? So you've got that one in place, yes, right? Then you want to choose, okay? Let's see the first one. It says name for a construction or architecture company, all right? So if you click that one, it gives you more details. And it was posted 17 hours ago, right? This one 21 hours ago, right? You can also filter on the right-hand side here, and you can say newest. Click newest right there, right? And this one, it was posted 2 hours ago. It says name for a travel and lifestyle e-commerce company, right? Says early access, right? So you can see all these different contests going on, my friend. And what are they offering? They are guaranteeing $100. $100 guaranteed right there. $100 guaranteed. There is no task that can give you less than 100 right here. So all you need is to sit down and just do something, and it's your effort that is only required right here. Okay, right. So how do we go forward? Okay, let's try the first one. Right? Yes, that one. So I've clicked that one, which says name for a travel and lifestyle e-commerce company, right? So it gives you the descriptions, travel and lifestyle, right? E-commerce company, right? So what you do now, since now you know the descriptions, you can just say, take the keywords, travel and lifestyle, okay? And copy it, right? Then you go to another cool site, and the site is called Namelix. You can see that it is also a secure company. This is a secure website rather, and it's got a padlock. So what you do is you just paste the keywords of your offer right there. And then you say generate, click generate. And then here where it says select at least one name length, okay? Right? Yes, there's the short and medium, okay? Generate. So this website now, it helps us to generate the name, right? This is why I said this is super cool, because you don't need to scratch your head to try and find out what sort of name you want to use, okay? Right, so you just choose whatever you want here. These are premium. The top ones are premium. You've just generated some premium names right here. Look at this one, lifestyle.ly. See, it's premium. This site cannot give it to you until you pay $3,000. So you leave it alone, okay? Right, so you go to other ones, which are free at the bottom right here, right? Travel LT, Lifestyle Let, Traveling. That looks cool. What about that one? Travelix, Travelam, Livingo. What about that? You just choose whatever you want here. Something that you think it's a striking name, you just choose it. And you leave alone those that are saying premium because they have to be paid for, okay? Right, so usually they want you to generate a name and also a domain name. You can use a website which is called NameMesh, this one. You just put your keywords right there and you generate the domain name, okay? Right, look at the first one, travelandlifestyle.com. That's common, right? Travelandlifestyle.net, travelandlifestyle.co. All those, these are all different suggestions that you can also put in as you submit your offer, as you submit your design right here, right? You also submit a suggested domain name, and that will impress the owner of the offer, all right? The owner of the job on there, on Squad Help, okay? So my friend, you can see that, okay, just before I let you go, let me show you the winners. That you see, there is some serious money to be made right here, right? Winners, and we go to the leaderboard, right? That one, the lady, the girl, whoever, that one with number one, she has made $59,261. And the next one, 19,000, 9,000, 23,000, 33,000, 6,000, 29,000, 30,000, 20,000, 57,000. You can see that, my friend, there is money that is exchanging hands on this site, okay? So if you want to try this site, my friend, you can make at least $100 every time you get into the contest. But how do you maximize your chances of getting or winning the contest? What you need to do is you can create few accounts with Squad Help, and then you enter into a few contests. Do maybe 10, 12, 15 contests every time. Keep your eye right here, and you find that this website will pay you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.